Are you going to show us the bedroom?
Yeah, one of our bedrooms which is like for a single person to lie down.
Okay.
This is one of the bedrooms for a single person to lie down. And you know, in the earlier days, there were no banks to keep the money. So they have one of the secret places to keep the money. And one of the secret places is over here. Chicken. A simple one. Now in the afternoon you would come and you would keep your money here. But now it's all the maps and all of my old memories of my ancestors, all the photographs are there. But then you like to hide your gold and you want to hide it very secretly.
Okay.
And I'll show you one of them. And you like to hide gold or you want to hide your money. One, two, three. Like to keep more. And like to hide more. But my gold is all over. I don't have any more. I don't have even chocolates to give you. You go straight again, go towards the left. Go straight again, go towards the left. Slide this. This again the left. This again the right. And this in the center. And then close it. And then close the door.
So nobody can even think of.
No one will know. Now it is all the modern things, like people will take just a full cupboard and go away. Like now you see the modern ATM are being taken. And as I was telling, as I explained to you, the two sections of our house. And since we were of the Hindu background, they have the old documents written in Modi, like very old script, like how we have Konkani, Marathi, Tamil, all languages of India, and old language. Maybe to the land deeds or the title deeds. And I'll show you here. These were the documents when we were written in, by our Hindus, by our Indians. Like, although having the Portuguese seal, there's race. It's called written in Modi. Like very few people have known it. Like now everyone is modern. Like they want to know, like, have a look. They're very old scripts.
These are all handwritten.
All handwritten. See, you are using with your wet hands, dry hands, till date the quality remains the same. Then people tell me, you keep it under lamination. Lamination like plastic must be having different chemicals and all that. So then the color may go. The more I expose the paper, better it is.
So are you going to show us the other part?
Yeah, I'll show you the another old part of my house. Come.
त्या घरातले जुने फर्निचर, दिवे आणि पेंटिंग्स मनाक भुलोवन घालता.
As I explained to you earlier, there are two sections of the house. Now this had come during the Portuguese time. Now we will come to the Hindu background. You can see by these pillars, is that the Hindu time the pillars were certain like the Hindu architecture, very old pillars. And it's like a mini courtyard in the center. As you see in an old Hindu house, like there was a mini courtyard in the center. So we have a similar type like this. And now I'll take you to a most interesting part of my house, which is very, very old.
Let's see.
Yeah, come. Now I'll take you to the most interesting part of my house, which is very, very old. And as I explained it to you earlier, there's another coconut coming like road Ganesha. And you see the trunk coming like that.
Okay.
And this is where the brass plates, see how heavy those brass plates are. And this was like a lady's room, changing clothes, a walk-in wardrobe. And then you can see different clothes are there.
So you used to change?
Change in the earlier times, like there were long gowns and all that. So a lady could change in that and then close the door and then.
Okay.
Yeah. But as I explained it to you, there were two sections of my house which is very old. And this part is very old.
But what is old in this?
Yeah, we'll find it 1 second, I'll explain to you. You know, in the earlier times there were a lot of attacks taking place. Like different dynasties would fight. So in case you were being attacked in the earlier times, Rohit, you will escape from there.
Okay.
And there's a passage here.
Oh, lovely.
Come, Rohit. You are being attacked now. So now we will escape with that.
I think you should lead.
Yeah, come. Mind the head, huh? Come slowly. You know, Rohit, you were being attacked in the earlier times. So this is where the gun holes where they could shoot. Look at an angle and then you can see the light. There's no one to shoot you now. And this is another gun hole where you can, a person could take you a gun and shoot you. Come, so remind the head. And this is another gun hole where you could shoot. Look at an angle and then you can
See the light.
see the light. Or maybe a gun, maybe shooting you. Come. And this is another gun hole where you could shoot. And this is the position as you come down the steps. Look to that, you can see the light. Or now you can take a gun and roll it and then you can shoot. The first position.
So the person who would enter your house
Yeah,
to attack,
attack.
he could be shot from here.
Yeah, from here.
Okay, at the entrance.
At the entrance.
Okay.
First, second, third. And this is a closer range. You can see my hand. If you look here, you can see my hand.
Okay.
You can see. Look here, and then you can see. And you can see. You close the range one. Come. Mind the step. And then there was a tunnel to escape to the river. So the thing has been collapsed because the house was basically built of mud and stone. So it has given way. So we had to still to figure out.
But basically, this house is your old part. The
Old part of my house.
Pre-Portuguese area.
Pre-Portuguese.
Okay.
As I explained to you.
And later on, it was built on the other side.
Other side. When
So the house faced the river.
faced the river. So Rohit, when you are coming from Panjim to Sandor, you will be seeing the river Zuari.
Okay.
So it is the same river, starting from the mountains, joining the sea.
So this is the Kushavati river.
Yeah, Kushavati river. A tributary of river Zuari.
Okay. Ranjiv, it was great talking to you. And thanks for showing us a house.
Welcome.
सारा फेर्नांडीसाचें घर पळयतकच मन भरून येता. हे घराचें गत वैभव अजुनूय टिकून आसा. सारा आनी तिचो पूत रंजीव हांणी म्हाका घर पुराय आपल्या मनांतल्यान दाखयलें. फेर्नांडीस कुटुंबाचें हें घर गोंयचे पुरातन इतिहासाची साक्ष दिता. सारा फेर्नांडीसाचें जें घर आसा तातूंत आमी 2 फेजीस पयल्यो. एक ताची हिंदू म्हणजे प्री पोर्चुगीज फेज आनी आफ्टर दॅट कन्वर्जन आमी ताची कॅथलीक फेज पयली. आनी इंट्रस्टींग पार्ट म्हणजे हे ह्या घराचो हो आसा की ह्या घरान अजुनूय ते दोनूय फेजीस टिकोवन दवरिल्ले आसात किंवा प्रिजर्व केल्ले आसात. तुमचो जो फिडबॅक आसा आमच्या ज्या एपिसोडा बद्दल तो आमकां तुमी मुद्दम कळयात @features@prudentmedia.in. तो पर्यंत
रिडिस्कवरी ऑफ गोवाच्या फुडले मालिकेंत आमी गोंयच्या दुसऱ्या राजधानीचेर नजर मारया. गोपक हे नांवान जगभर प्रसिद्ध जाल्लें हे शहरांत पुरातन रस्ते, पाशाणी अवशेश, मुर्ती आमकां अजुनूय पळोवपाक मेळटा. 11व्या शतकांतलें गोपक हें शहर कितलें फामाद आशिल्लें हें आमी फुडले मालिकेंत पळोवया.